spitting it out without you even knowing it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I thought that was yours.
Yep. I just made it a little bit so we made sure you got everything in there.
There he comes.
Oh, camera cord.
Sorry?
You get the camera cord.
Yep. A little better that one. Nice. A little better, eh?
Yeah, I'll let you hold that rod up.
Yep.
Just keep his mouth from the net. You can.
Yeah, they sure don't take it much at all, eh? Just a lip and that's it.
There we go.
Better
Two.
beat this one.